What? This more old school. Yes. I think they have now a pause. There's a break. Not school break. They are outside of the buildings because it's snack time. Yes. Hmm? No, we don't have a phone. No, we don't. I lost my bag. I'm so sorry. I don't know, Papa. I think we start 1 p.m. On the right side. Can, if you want. Forest? What do you think is special in the forest here? Here's nothing, just trees. Yes. 5 minutes walk in this direction, maybe 10, and we are in my mama's house. No, mama don't want us now. She's lazy. But we don't have the bag with us. It makes no sense. Maybe the next walk. The next, not tomorrow. Just go away like you want. Yeah, choose. That is okay.
But when we come here, I think that was in October or November. It was all yellow.
Yes, it was autumn.
And there was less people. Very much people.
That's true.
But right now, nobody.
Yeah, because the most people are working in this time.
1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock, it's early. Of course not in Germany. Here no snakes. We don't have snakes here in Hamburg, in Germany in North. Yeah, that's not a lie. Ask ChatGPT. There are no snakes. Yeah.
Look, I will show you. I'm telling the truth.
Show me the snakes here in my forest. Show me the shield. Yeah.
There are rabbits and thank I know.
Yes.
I got my strawberries and new clothes after walking. This is my reward.